Fixing our first Copart BMW in 10 hours easy flip. All of the windows were smashed. Fitted the rear windscreen unit in 10 minutes. Glass everywhere. Tinted the rear side windows and fitted them. Checking the fitment. Rear windows installed. And rear door panels back-up. Onto the front glass. Vacuum the glass out and install. Started to get a bit dark, but installed all the glass ready for tomorrow. All done, now time to black the whole car. More hoovering and pre-paint spoiler. Debadge the 330i. My sport wing mirrors. Black indicator lights. Black grills. Little brake. Quick wash and removing sticky plastic. Final pictures taken.